I used to hide my biggest secret in ministry, not because I was doing something wrong, but because I was afraid of what people might think. For almost 3 years, I used AI in secret. I didn't tell my friends, I didn't tell my coworkers, because I was terrified of what they would think. Would they think I was lazy, unproductive, or even worse, unspiritual? But here's the truth. AI didn't make me less of a pastor. It actually made me human again. And in a few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can use these tools to begin redeeming your time without losing your soul in the process. I've also got a free resource for you. It's an ebook called Redeem Your Time that you're going to be able to grab at the end of this video absolutely free. Back in 2022, I hit my breaking point. Panic attacks, blackouts. I would be getting ready for work in the morning, and then all of a sudden I was in my office, unaware of how I even got there. My body was begging for rest, but ministry wasn't slowing down. I was trying to juggle communications, graphic design, social media, worship ministry, technology, all while trying to pastor people well. It wasn't a lack of calling, it was a lack of margin, and ministry without margin is ministry on borrowed time. Through counseling and prayer, I realized that I wasn't weak, I was just burnt out. I had no systems in place to protect myself. And around that same time, I found very early versions of ChatGPT and began experimenting with that in my workflow. At first, I didn't tell anybody. I was afraid people might think I was cheating, like I was letting a robot do my job. But honestly, I was just trying to find breathing room in my life. And here is what I learned. AI is not a threat to your calling. It is a tool for your stewardship. It's not about replacing people. It's about partnering with technology to redeem your time. Let me show you 3 ways that AI changed everything for me. I began with the mundane, scheduling my calendar better, taking meeting notes, even creating basic graphics. 5 minutes saved here, 30 minutes saved there, began to compound on top of each other to where I was beginning to see hours of redeemed time. Then I began to clarify all the chaos, take all this data, this information that was coming in through these meeting notes or these long-term projects, and structuring them together to create this margin in my time. And then I began to refocus on people. Every hour that was saved allowed me to get coffee with a volunteer, counseling a church member, and being home for dinner with my family. So as you can see, AI did not replace my calling, it redeemed my time. Eventually, I started sharing what I was doing with AI, and friends and colleagues started reaching out to me. They weren't afraid of AI. What they were afraid of was burning out. That's when it hit me that this wasn't just about me. This was about learning the skills necessary to help other ministry leaders begin redeeming their time so they can get back to what's most important, being with people. I honestly believe that God used technology to teach me rest. He reminded me that tools can be holy as long as they're being used to achieve a place and a presence of peace, not panic. Because ultimately the goal is not productivity, it's presence. Ministry should never cost you your soul. And listen, if you're ready to start getting back some of that time so you can get back to being with people, I created a free ebook just for you called Redeem Your Time. It is packed full with information on how to start using AI systems in your ministry today. If you take just one of these steps and implement it into your workflow, I promise you, you're gonna see how AI can begin redeeming your time. All you have to do is go down into the comment sections below. It'll be the first pinned comment. It'll be a link that will take you straight to that free resource. If you can't see that comment, it's also in the description below. And at the beginning of the year, I'm launching an AI in ministry masterclass here on this channel. I will be going in depth on how I create these AI systems to help me redeem my time. And you can get ahead of the curve if you go ahead and get this ebook right now, because it's just the beginning of what that masterclass is all about. Go grab it today. So if you're a pastor or ministry leader that's just trying to catch your breath in this busy ministry cycle, just know you're not alone. There are plenty of us here on this channel right now who are every week showing up to learn different methods on how we can begin redeeming our time. Just know AI isn't the enemy. It could just be the one friend that you needed right now to help you begin redeeming your time. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on those bell notifications, because we are building a community here that is passionate about redeeming our time so we can get back to what's most important, being with people. And if you're still weary of using AI in your ministry, go ahead and check out this video right here where hopefully I begin demystifying some of the things that you might have heard about AI.